the first time, I thought that in this only the bigger boys and the teachers knew how to solve it. But when I discovered this trick, it's a piece of cake for me now. And if you like this cake, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And when I came to know this trick, now algebra, especially when it comes to adding and subtracting, it's way more easier than you thought. And it will become a piece of cake for you. So without wasting any time, let's start. So imagine a basket of oranges and a basket of apples. Now if you add an apple and another apple, it will just give you 2 apples. But if you add orange plus an apple, you cannot get 1 fruit. So this is the way how algebra works. So let's take an example. 3x plus 2x. Here x and x are like apples, and in whichever term they are the same fruit, the term is said to be like term. And another important thing, wherever you have a number behind an alphabet, it means the alphabet whose value is normally 1 is multiplied by the number behind it. For example, 3x. So here 3 is multiplying x, which equals to 3x. So in this sum, x is equal like apples. So let's come back to the sum. So 3 into x is 3x. So 3 apples plus 2 apples, that will give us 5 apples, written as 5x. Now if it's clear, now solve this sum in the comments. Solve now 2x plus 5x. X and x are like apples. So 2 apples plus 5 apples gives us 7 apples, 7x. Now 3x plus 2y means 3 apples plus 2 oranges. Now here you cannot mix apples and oranges and get 1 fruit. So you will rewrite it as it is. 3x plus 2y. Wherever you have 2 or more than 2 fruits, it's said to be unlike terms. Now I have to end this video here, and I cannot cover up subtraction and some complex sums. So subscribe to my channel so that you could get the notification first after I launch the video. But that video becomes more complicated if you don't know the fundamentals of algebra. I made a video about the fundamentals of algebra. It's here. You can click the video and watch it. I've made it very easy so that everybody can understand.